Hi guys, this is Ashna Shroff from the Snob Journal for Feminista.com. I started blogging just a little over 2 years ago, and I used to read a lot of Indian and international blogs at that time, and they were my biggest inspiration back then. I was also very active on social media, and a lot of the people that used to follow me there were pursuing me to start a blog. This whole thing entirely just motivated me to give it a shot and see how it goes. In the next 5 years, I literally see myself doing the exact same thing only because I love it so much. There are so many men's bloggers that I have come across that are so admirable and amazing at what they do. I would definitely say I don't think any profession in today's world should be limited by gender. Okay, I think this is a myth that definitely needs to be broken. There are a lot of women today that you will come across that are so successful at what they're doing. There are so many women entrepreneurs, and that literally proves that beauty and brains are totally unrelated. Anyway, if you look around, you'll find so many successful women around you, and a lot of them are actually beautiful, as one would put it. So the women workwear trend in India has really evolved over the years. From what I have observed, women used to wear neatly pinned saris to work before, and slowly that evolved to a more westernized style incorporated into workwear. But nowadays, with the fashion industry at its boom, I've noticed a lot of women wear such different and quirky stuff to work. Like pantsuits come in different fun colors, and they wear pants and skirts with different cuts. I've seen some women wearing really chic blouses with the prettiest necklines. I think the attire is still very professional, smart and clean, but it still has that stylish edge to it, which I absolutely love. My style inspiration has always been Blake Lively. I absolutely love her. I think she wears the most amazing clothes, and she's absolutely stunning as well. You need to be patient and make sure you don't give up easily. It's very difficult to lose yourself in today's world, so make sure that you stay true to yourself till the end. If you're passionate about something, make sure you do it, work hard and be patient, and trust me, it will all work out.